Test your listening skill in English. Talking about your job, Part 2. Watch the video about Isabel Wells, then do the quiz. All characters, names, and companies depicted in this educational video are fictional and used for illustrative purposes only. Any resemblance to actual persons, living or deceased, or real-world entities is purely coincidental.
Hello, I'm Isabel Wells. I'm the UX, UI specialist here at Fast Prints 4U in London, UK. I might be new to the job, but I'm diving right in. Fast Prints 4U is a graphic design agency and print shop serving everyone from the public to small to medium businesses. On the print side, we do it all, from laser printing and offset to large format and even artisan letterpress. And for design, we're all about branding, visual identity, and building effective publicity campaigns. And that's where I come in. I get to make sure all our digital products are easy, enjoyable, and beautiful to use. I'm currently focused on a really interesting project, the website design for our book and coffee shop. They're a classic London bookshop, founded way back in 1959, and they've just completed a gorgeous rebrand. Now, they're looking to take that classic feel online and sell their books and delicious baked goods to a wider audience. It's a great challenge to merge that heritage with modern electronic commerce. My daily duties start with the UX, or user experience. I need to figure out the best way for customers to find a book and then add a delicious pastry or cake to their order. This involves a lot of sketching and mapping the customer journey, making sure it's logical and simple. This is a primary responsibility, figuring out how people will move through the site. I work closely with a brilliant team here. My supervisor is William Henry, our creative arts director. William is the one who keeps us focused on the big picture vision for our clients. He's great at setting the strategic direction. I often check in with him to ensure my UX, UI work aligns perfectly with the overall brand identity and goals. I also collaborate daily with our two talented and recently recruited graphic designers, Helen Wright and Thomas Wellington. They're essential for bringing a project to life. I deliver the wireframes, the basic structure and functional blueprint, and then Helen and Tom jump in to add the visual style, color palettes, and polished design assets. Their input is essential for making sure the final product is not just easy to use, but also visually stunning and completely on brand. It's a fantastic partnership. I focus on the how it works, and they focus on the how it looks. My other main responsibility is the UI, or user interface. If UX is the structure, the UI is the visual experience, the colors, fonts, buttons, and overall look and feel. Once the user flow is approved, I transition to ensuring the design is not just appealing, but perfectly on brand for a classic London bookshop. It's vital that the website looks professional and trustworthy, and that's where Thomas is key. Since he's an expert photographer, Thomas is capturing rich, detailed images of the books and baked goods. My job is to take those incredible photos and ensure they're perfectly sized, placed, and integrated within my designs to enhance the user's desire to buy. So, my day involves constant problem solving, designing, and lots of communication. My ultimate responsibility is to deliver a website that not only looks great but genuinely helps our book and coffee shop sell their amazing products online. It's challenging, but I absolutely love taking complicated problems and making them simple for the user. Thanks for checking out what I do.
Quiz time. How to play. There are 10 questions, and you have 15 seconds to answer each question. There are 3 types of questions. Short answer questions. Multiple choice. True or false? Let's start the quiz. 1. Isabel Wells is a UX/UI specialist working at Fastprints 4U. Answer: true. 2. Fastprints 4U specializes in branding, marketing, and what type of campaigns? Answer: publicity campaigns. 3. Isabel works independently on her web design projects without the need for team support. Answer: false. 4. Isabel always integrates her own photography and illustrations into her web designs to ensure visual consistency. Answer: false. 5. The final step of web design is preparing the basic structure and functional blueprints. Answer: false. 6. Visual design, UI, involves applying color, typography, imagery, and layout to create an intuitive and engaging interface. Answer: true. 7. Isabel is building an online store for our book and coffee shop. Answer: true. 8. Which soft skill in the list below is not crucial for Isabel's job? Problem solving, communication, creativity, mentoring. Answer: mentoring. 9. William Henry is Isabel Wells's supervisor. Answer: true. 10. Isabel has been working at Fastprints 4U for 3 years. Answer: false. Good job. What is your score?